Hey YouTube, I just finished working on 1987 Porsche Carrera Targa. It's a classic vehicle. I just installed the Encore security system. It comes with 2 remote controls with easy to read icons and a 2-way remote control. I also added power door locks, so when you arm it, it'll lock the doors for you. When you disarm it, it will unlock, so you no longer have to put the key into the door lock cylinder and scratch your paint job. I added aftermarket door locks in here because this is a factory manual door locks, so I added one on each side. So when you lock it or arm it, it'll lock the doors for you. Disarm it, it'll unlock. It'll give you nice keyless entry. So when you lock it, it'll lock, unlock. It's very convenient feature to get in and out of the vehicle. It's a 1987 Porsche Carrera Targa with aftermarket power door locks and the aftermarket security system with aftermarket sensors.